Good morning, all of you. Now it's time for our rhyme, and today we will recite a rhyme sounds of animals. So, recite along with me. Rabbits on the hillside, big as a mule. Rabbits on the hillside, big as a mule. Escape to my low, my darling. Escape to my low, my darling. Cows in the meadow go moo, moo, moo. Cows in the meadow go moo, moo, moo. Escape to my low, my darling. Escape to my low, my darling. Lions in the den go roar, roar, roar. Lions in the den go roar, roar, roar. Escape to my low, my darling. Escape to my low, my darling. Birds in the nest go chirp, chirp, chirp. Birds in the nest go chirp, chirp, chirp. Escape to my low, my darling. Escape to my low, my darling. Ducks in the pond go quack, quack, quack. Ducks in the pond go quack, quack, quack. Escape to my low, my darling. Escape to my low, my darling. Flies in the sugar pot fly, show, show, show. Flies in the sugar pot fly, show, show, show. Escape to my low, my darling. Escape to my low, my darling. Flies in the sugar pot fly, show, show, show. Flies in the sugar pot fly, show, show, show. Escape to my low, my darling. Thank you. Bye bye.